Indoor polluted air enters the purifier through the underneath inlet, passes the pretreatment membrane, and then enters the generator for reaction. Byproducts, including ozone and acid fog, can be removed by tail gas treatment membrane to obtain clean air. In the way of dielectric barrier discharge, low-temperature plasma air purifier utilizes abundant energetic particles and free radicals in plasma to oxidize, pyrolyze, activate, and ionize pollutants to produce carbon dioxide and water for pollutant removal.